What if you could find companies while they are still growing faster than most of the market? That's the basic idea behind growth trading. Growth traders look for companies increasing their sales, profits, or number of customers faster than their competitors. These companies often operate in expanding industries like artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and digital payments. The goal is to buy while the business is still expanding and sell after the market recognizes that growth. A growth trader usually checks three things. Strong revenue growth. Revenue is simply the money a company generates from its customers. Second, improving earnings. Earnings are the profit left after expenses. And third, positive price momentum, meaning the stock is already moving upward and attracting buyers. Imagine a company increases its sales from $1 billion to 1.4 billion. That is 40% growth. If profits and customers number are also rising, traders may believe the company can become much larger. But fast growth alone does not guarantee a good trade. Growth stocks can be expensive because investors are paying for future success. If the company reports disappointing results, the stock can fall quickly. Growth trading is not about buying every popular stock. It's about finding strong companies and entering when both the business and the price trend are moving in the right direction. Follow for more trading strategies explained simply. Thank you for watching.